Everybody, so today we're just going to be doing a Universal Studios Hollywood construction update. I forgot to film an intro with the park, because as you'll see later, I didn't think I'd be doing this video, so there's some new stuff, including the reason why Earthquake was down was because they were adding some new electrics and the electrical boxes back up, and they also added a new one. The telephone pole has electricity coming out of it, which is pretty cool. You'll see that in the video later. They removed the helicopter from the crash helicopter from, I'm forgetting what it's called, the Walking Dead, and we got some new mazes they're building at the Studio Tour and Waterworld. I didn't get any footage of the one at the Studio Tour, and that's about it. It's open. That one's open too. They got the electricals back. There's like some construction going on over here. I didn't think I'd be making this video, right? But look over here. Yeah, that's The Walking Dead. It's just all gone. Do they think they're enclosing it or something? They're keeping it open, which is like the weirdest thing. Yeah, the helicopter's gone. They're so weird. They don't really have gaps in their vents, but I don't know if this is like a teaser or something. It's crazy. I don't know where everything went. Got new TVs in there. Along with the construction, they have some, I think it's Halloween mazes. And they saw they were building a new one at the Studio Tour. It was right at the very end of the War of the Worlds section. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.